If you're experiencing login failures on Ping Identity, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify common problems and their solutions. Step 1. Check username and password. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity issues. Step 2. Verify account status. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generated and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, as stored data can sometimes cause login issues. After clearing, restart your browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Update browser or app. Make sure you are using the latest version of your web browser or the Ping Identity app. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to your IT support team or Ping Identity support for further assistance. Provide them with any error messages you encountered. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve login failures on Ping Identity. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek professional help.